Yeah, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So I am from HR department of Veda Technologies. So today we are going to be discuss regarding the job openings on ServiceNow and automation testing. So let us go through the ServiceNow developer jobs. Coming to the first job opening here. So role would be ServiceNow developer and experience they are expecting from the candidates 5 years of experience, and these are all the modules like ITSM, HRSD, ITOM, CMDB, service mapping, event management, discovery. So notice period they are offering is 2 months or 15 days, or an immediate joiner. So work from home opportunity is also available. So if you are interested for the job opening, and if you have these skills, you can send your resumes to Devesh P by following him. So coming to the next job opening, location would be Hyderabad and experience is 4 to 8 years of experience, and role is ServiceNow developer. So these are all the key responsibilities like collaborate with HR product owners, AGR leads to deliver the ServiceNow product backlog, and actively participate in AGR delivery pods and ensure system health and performance. So these are all the skills required like JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and mobile MDM, responsive design, performance monitoring automation. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to, they didn't given any mail ID here. So you can send your resumes by following Rakesh Yadav. So coming to the next job opening, role would be ServiceNow developer with UX, and experience they are expecting from the candidate is 4 to 8 years of experience, and location is pan India location they are offering for. So these are all the key skills like JavaScript, ITSM integration and UX tools. So these are all the main skills they are expecting from the candidates like ServiceNow developer and ServiceNow UX, Figma, prototyping like wireframing, ITSM, JavaScript integration, REST API, SOAP APIs. So they are looking for immediate joining here. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your CVs to this mail ID like swati.ks@visda.com. So you can send your resumes here. So coming to the next job opening, role would be ServiceNow developer. So this is the location Charlotte NC, and duration would be 12 months they are expecting. Like this is the job type like on-site contract only for the two candidates like so this is the job description. They are looking for ServiceNow developer to collaborate with both technical and business stakeholders in implementing efficient solutions, primarily CMDB, ITOM modules, and these are all the key responsibilities like so develop new modules, features, customizations, and integrations on the ServiceNow platform. Work in work on inbound and outbound integrations using REST API. So these are all the key responsibilities and skills are needed from the candidate. Strong service node development in flow. So discovery and workspace experience in VR, CMDB and ITOM modules. So experience they are expecting from the candidates 10 years of experience in service now. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to manoj.k techvision.com. So coming to the next job opening here. So role would be ServiceNow API developers. So this is the job details like 6 to 12 months of contract position it would be, and shift timings would be 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. IST fixed, and it would be immediate joiners only. And location is remote location. So these are all the roles the candidate should have, and these are all the skills. So they are expecting 3+ years of experience with ServiceNow, APIs and scripting, strong proficiency in JavaScript and GlideScript. So experience with at least one ServiceNow module like SRSD, ITOM, ITSM and CSM, etc. So ServiceNow CAD certification is preferred. So if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your CVs to sales@talenttwins.com. So coming to the next job opening, role would be ServiceNow developer, and it would be a permanent position in Pan India. And like these are the job specifications like a ServiceNow developer with ITSM integration, scripting and any modules like HRSD, CSM, GRC. So work experience they are expecting from the candidates 5 to 12 years of experience, and this is the work location is Pan India, and drive would be on 13th February, and it would be a virtual loan. So if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to subha@vysystems.com. So, or else you can send your resumes through her WhatsApp number also. This is her WhatsApp number. So, let us go through the automation testing jobs. So, coming to the first job opening on automation testing. So, role would be a test analyst, manual and automation, finance, banking, and insurance. They're expecting from the candidate, and location would be hybrid, on-site, and remote. And the job type would be 12 months contract. And experience they are required from the candidates 3 to 6 years of experience. So these are all the key responsibilities like design, develop, and execute manual and automation test cases for finance, banking, or insurance applications. So conduct functional regression, integration, and end-to-end testing to validate system behavior. So these are all the main skills, system requirements, and create effective test strategies. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to, they didn't given any mail ID. So you can send your resumes to kevin.k by following him. So coming to the next job opening, role would be Java Selenium Automation Test Engineer. Like location is Hyderabad, and experience they are expecting from the candidate 3 to 5 years of experience. Coming to the responsibilities, like design, develop scalable automation testing framework using Java and Selenium. So create and execute automation test scripts to ensure the quality of application, troubleshoot and optimize test performance. So coming to the skills, so they are expecting 3 to 5 years of experience in Java application development and automation testing. So strong expertise in Selenium WebDriver and automation frameworks, experience with SQL databases. So familiarity with CI/CD pipelines and Docker Cucumbers is a plus, and excellent problem-solving abilities and communication skills. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, so you can apply through this link they are provided here, or else you can follow this particular person like Vincent R, and you can send your resumes directly to him. So coming to the next job opening, job position would be automation testing, and experience they are expecting from the candidates 5 to 10 years of experience, and location is Bangalore location, and it would be a contract to hire position, and notice period they are giving is 15 days or immediate joiner. So mode of interview would be face to face round in the Bangalore location itself. So if you have hands-on experience with automation testing and expertise in code concepts, frameworks, and ability to work closely with development teams to expertise test automation. So if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to this mail, or else you can follow him, Arun Kumar Potu. You can follow me and you can send your resumes to him directly. So that's all for today's topic. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. Thank you.